In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Progressive insurance. The process is straightforward, and the first thing you'll want to do is request a quote. You can do this by visiting Progressive's website, using the mobile app, calling Progressive directly, or working with a local insurance agent. Whichever method you choose, be prepared to provide some basic information about yourself, your vehicle, and your driving history. This information helps generate a quote that reflects your situation more accurately, so it's a good idea to have those details ready before you begin. Once your quote request is underway, the next step is choosing your coverage. This is where you decide what types of protection you want included in your policy and how much coverage you need. Common options include liability coverage, collision coverage, and comprehensive coverage. Depending on where you live, you may also see uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. On top of that, there can be optional add-ons like roadside assistance or rental reimbursement. As you make these choices, try to balance protection with affordability so the policy fits both your needs and your budget. After selecting your coverage, take time to review your quote carefully. Look closely at the premium, which is the amount you'll pay for the policy, along with the deductibles and any discounts that may be available. This is an important part of the process because small adjustments to coverage can sometimes make a noticeable difference in cost. If the quote feels too high, you can usually make changes to better align it with what you're comfortable spending. When you're satisfied with the quote, go ahead and purchase your policy. At this stage, you'll complete the application and provide your payment information. You'll also choose the effective date for the policy, which is the date your coverage begins. Make sure this date matches your needs, especially if you're replacing an existing policy or need coverage by a specific deadline. Once the policy becomes active, you'll receive your proof of insurance. This usually comes in the form of an insurance ID card, and you can typically access it online through the Progressive app or receive it by mail. It's a good idea to save a digital copy and keep a physical copy if needed, so it's easy to access whenever you need it. That's how to get Progressive insurance from start to finish. Follow each part carefully, review your options before paying, and you'll be able to complete the process smoothly